Welcome to the preventative maintenance demonstration for the Dosematic Mini-Dose Injector Series. Note that there are a couple of pre-servicing steps that must be executed before performing any service on the injectors or removing the lower end cylinder assembly. To start, make sure to shut off the water supply to the injector. Also, make sure to relieve the water pressure on the injector before attempting to repair or replace any parts. This will prevent potential spraying of water or chemicals from the injector. Always make sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when servicing equipment. First, unscrew the lower end cylinder assembly until it's completely removed from the body. Once the lower shaft is exposed, gently pull down until it stops. Then remove the shaft from the motor by rotating it 90 degrees and then lightly pulling straight down. Do not pull with extreme force or you could damage the injector. After removing the shaft, remove the seal retainer, the shaft seal spacer, the O-ring, the gasket, the dosage piston, and the last O-ring on the bottom of the shaft. To remove the dosage piston, pinch the two clips that hold it in place. Be sure to note in what order the parts were pulled off the shaft as well as their orientation on the shaft. To reassemble, use the new parts found in the replacement kit. The only new parts are the dosage piston and the two small O-rings. All other parts will be reused. Place all parts back on the shaft in reverse order. Reinsert the shaft assembly back into the body and lightly rotate it 90 degrees to lock into place. Gently pull down on the shaft to confirm that it's locked in place. The lower end cylinder assembly may now be screwed into the body and into place. Be sure that the gasket is seated on top of the cylinder as it's being reassembled to prevent it from getting inadvertently pinched. Thank you for watching the preventative maintenance demonstration for the Dosematic Mini-Dose Injector Series.